Day 111, cron jobs first heartbeat. So I'm tightening up how PailFlow executes work on a schedule, not just when I ask a question. And if you are also building autonomous agents, especially proactive ones, this is an important practical decision, whether you'll run things with cron jobs, heartbeats, maybe even a mix of both. But first, let's get through some terminology. So what is a cron job? So a cron job is a scheduled task that runs automatically on a schedule you set. A heartbeat is a periodic check-in that typically happens in like your main agent session. And you'll use something, and this was popularized with like open clause architecture. You'll use a Heartbeat.md file to define like rules or things that the agent should follow when it wakes up. So you can kind of think of it as like loose instructions to follow every time you have like this recurring ping. You'll want cron jobs when timing and guarantees are really important. So for tasks where you need an exact time, late is costly, need a run log, or maybe you want a history, and perhaps it's deadline tied. So for example, in like client delivery, if every Tuesday you have a meeting and before the meeting you need a very specific brief and it has to happen exactly, not 10 minutes after the meeting, you need it before the meeting, you'd probably want to set up a cron job. And then heartbeats, or like the Heartbeat.md, are better for when things are a little bit more fuzzy. It needs to happen at some time, like you want an agent to check your email regularly and see what's going on, or maybe monitor competitor signals. Maybe there's like a list of just like other checks you want to have an agent do every time it wakes up. The goals are a little bit more fuzzy. Then heartbeats are a really good choice for that. And that's really it. I had just spent some time really thinking through what sort of tasks, how I'll route different tasks to the different types for PailFlow. But would love to hear from anybody who's implemented, like what sort of things have you done that work really well? And also trying out this new format where like instead of shorts, they're just like full regular videos. Let me know what you think. Should I just go back to the little face short, or should these be like full videos for my regular daily updates? Anywho, let me know in the comment. Thanks.